Welcome to my channel. This is Toyotero at Old School Yodas. Today we are back with this beautiful Rust Bucket 1977 Datsun B210 with no floor, as you can see. So we've been working on it today. There's the other side where it looks pretty much completed. Today we took off the steering wheel, clutch master, brake booster, so that we can make this side look like this side. As you can see, this side does not look very handsome. This side is suffering from just a little rot. You know, not a whole lot of anything. It'll look good when I'm done with it. But on a serious note, we got a lot of work ahead of us. So, as you can see how that looks. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's a whole lot better. There's the inside of that. And that's the bottom. The rail right there. And yeah. That's what we up to. We got a steering wheel out of the way completely. That's the booster and that's the brake master in there. Everything's in there. There's the Samurai. We still haven't done much to the Samurai, but she's still here. So we're gonna be working on this car today. Well, we have been working on this car today, but it's just a little update video. Just a little update video, man. So here we go. Here we go again. We're gonna try to do this side. Start this side soon. This driver side. That's what it looks like right now. There's the other side. I want to make it look like that. Everything sealed up. Strong. Alright, that's what it looks like, and I'll make another video, another update video soon. As soon as I get a little progress done on that side. Alright, guys. Here I took off the brake line. There's a big C-clip that holds it, and then there's another piece that goes in there. I've taken it out because I plan to take out, well, we are going to take off the cross member. So I'm setting up the jack. I put a couple of rollers on the bottom so I can roll it out of the way. Here I'll slowly let the jack down so that the whole cross member can lay on the rollers, and then I'm gonna take it out. I'll take the jack out of the way, and then I just roll everything up. I had to kind of pull forward the struts. I had to pull them forward so I can get it from underneath the car, because obviously the car is not as high as it needed to be. But I got it all out, as you can see in a little while here. Removing the cross member and all these other parts, as you can see, it helps to be able to repair the engine bay better. I wish I had taken it out sooner, but I just didn't have the space, and I needed to move the car around. But now I got the car where I need it to be, and so now I'm able to fix this side and the front. There's a front area here that you're gonna see in a minute that needs help. But everything else up top, as you can see, looks good. I'm not gonna take the fenders off. I don't see any rust there. And I'm just trying to do the engine bay right now so I can get to the floors. But you know, one thing at a time. I'll see how much space I got there not to work, and I can fix that, repair that side. Hopefully it comes out better than this side. The idea is to make it strong so that, you know, the car can be driven later on. It's just the part in the front that needs help. There's a little rust there. I want to clear that up because the part of the cross member goes to that area too. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Toyotero says goodbye.